How to increase bitrate on Blackmagic camera. So if you want to increase your bitrate on the Blackmagic camera, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this. Whether you're using Android or you're using iPhone, you can easily increase your Blackmagic bitrate camera. You can easily increase your Blackmagic camera bitrate. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera app. Once open it, to increase the bitrate, click on settings at the bottom right. Under settings, click on codec. Then here, come down to bitrate and then select your bitrate here. So you can have a maximum of 54 Mbps or 35 Mbps, and the least is 18 Mbps. So for good result, you can either choose 36 Mbps or 54 Mbps for your bitrate on the Blackmagic camera. And once you've done that, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to change bitrate on Blackmagic camera. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.